Daily dose of internet. Daily dose of internet. One of the engines on this plane suddenly exploded on a trip to Hawaii. The plane was still able to safely make an emergency landing.
It's Horace. Horace, no, that won't go in your cheek. Come here. No, no. Pass me the broccoli.
Oh.
Videos. Hi. Wave.
Hey.
Oh, that's so good. That's so good.
This guy dressed up as a mannequin to see if anyone would notice.
Hey, should I lay in the middle like it fell over? Yo!
This cat sounds exactly like a squeaky toy. There's a website that compares the vision of humans to the vision of animals. Here's what dog vision looks like. This is what humans can see at night versus what a gecko can see at night. Snails just can't see very well at all. Giant clams can see color and movement, but they really have no idea what they're looking at. There's only two types of cats.
Peanut.
I recorded this really cool sunset with my phone and wanted to share it with all of you. That's the end of this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. This seagull was just minding its business when a beluga whale started nibbling on his feet. For some reason the seagull didn't fly away and didn't seem to be bothered. This is a device that alerts your computer to go back to a certain screen when someone unexpectedly walks in on you. About 80 people put on a blue shirt and walked into a Best Buy store to look like an employee. The actual employees of the store were confused and weren't sure what to do.
You don't leave the store right now. The fact that you're in the same outfit as us, we would like to ask you to leave the store, please. Just go up the escalator, please.
I've got to leave because I'm wearing the same clothes you're wearing?
Yes, we'd like you to leave.
Eventually the police were called in, but since they legally can't do anything, nobody was arrested.
You can ask these people to leave, but you're not going to arrest anybody for wearing a blue polo shirt.
Here's a weird fish that walks on the seafloor by using legs.
This is how I double my money. Might be illegal.
This is what it looks like to light a match at a microscopic level and in slow motion. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon. This is your daily dose of internet. This man, for unknown reasons, really wanted to shake hands with someone in the back of the plane.
I'm gonna shake your hand. I'm gonna shake your hand. Shake your hand. I'm gonna shake your hand. I wanna shake his 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 hand. That's all I wanna do. All I wanna do.
After making a scene, he was thrown off the plane and arrested. This artist makes stop-motion carvings from giant blocks of cheese. The suspect was arrested and brought in for questioning. When the detective wasn't looking, he took a chance and jumped out a second-story window.
Oh no!
The police still haven't been able to find the suspect. This person went to go pick up their dog from daycare when their dog's face lights right up. This is an Asiatic golden cat, and they're usually found in parts of southern Asia. Ancient tradition in Thailand believes that killing this cat and burning it will scare away tigers.
Get up here! Ah, what's going on? What's going on? Oh, ooh.
This elephant was stuck in a mud pit for over 12 hours before these people helped dig the elephant free. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed. There's this hotel that's located 30 feet underwater, and the only way to get to it is by scuba diving or free diving. A local pizza place saw the chance to make good business and started an underwater pizza delivery service.
Coolest pizza delivery ever.
Thanks, man.
Oh yeah, why'd you cut the dollar?
Because I wanted to be rich.
Puppy, but that's not how it works. Like, this is only one.
I got 5.
No.
This is the skull of a woodpecker. What's interesting about this is that their tongue is so long that it actually wraps all the way around their head.
That their tongue actually wraps around the back of their head and all the way onto the top of their head, sometimes as far as reaching back into the right nostril. And so here it is in top view, and you can actually see it's really pretty remarkable.
This cat absolutely hates it when someone sneezes. This Uber driver gave a ride home to the person that voices Mrs. Puff from SpongeBob.
Right, exactly. Andrew is a wonderful driver, unlike SpongeBob. He's not a wonderful driver. But Andrew took me home tonight, and I'm having a wonderful time with him.
This artist took an old US coin and changed it into a coin with a mechanical hand that can grasp a sword. This dog gets upset whenever their owner invades their personal space. This city in Australia was having issues with this tunnel as people kept ignoring the signs and going through when it was closed. They installed a waterfall that would have laser beams shot on it like a projector, as this would be a physical barrier that wouldn't damage vehicles. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again when this is your daily dose of internet. Every time someone goes on the sidewalk, this aggressive magpie chases after them.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
He got me!
This child is only 10 years old and is already 6'2". At that kind of size, playing sports can be pretty easy. This person likes to use colored rice to make some amazing works of art. This mom lost her child somewhere in a forest in Canada.
My son, who has special needs, who's 6 years old, is missing. He's been missing for about 45 minutes. We've been looking for him.
It was nighttime and it was hard to see anything, but the helicopter pilot used an infrared camera to spot the child.
What I'm doing is firing a laser right now. Just wonder if somebody could use their goggles and see if you can see that laser.
We're bringing him out. He appears to be in good condition, but I want to get him checked. Thank you, helicopter.
This guy was playing around when he lost his basketball in an accident. This guy was trying to fix an ice machine that got jammed. Here's a little tiny wrinkly dog. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.